Welcome back to my channel. This is Isaac with Where Are We Going? I'm here at Peace, Love and Vans in Dade City, Florida. And I'm here at the Noovo Pavilion with all the Noovo friends and family members here. And I am excited to film for you and give you a full tour of their amazing, most desired, the Noovo Plus. And what's unique about this is that the interior height is nothing like anything in the market. No B van has the same height that it comes with. So let's start the show and start the tour. Welcome to the interior of the Noovo Plus, the biggest and the hottest model of them all. And this beautiful van, a B van, has the highest ceiling possible in the market. I have never seen anything this high of an interior space for your headroom. This is a B van sitting on a Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis and capable of sleeping four adults in a beautiful interior layout, which I'm going to show you momentarily. So as we enter here, you immediately realize those beautiful signature curved designs of Noovo, with this beautiful open space here for storage. Your light buttons immediately welcome you here at the gorgeous looking, beautiful countertops here at the galley style kitchen with an induction cooktop, a beautiful deep sink, and then you have two faucets. One of them is for your regular water with a spray faucet that you can actually extend it to outside and have it used as an additional shower if may be. And then you have here a filtered water faucet. You have a little hook. You have a little cubby here that you can stow like paper towels or oil bottles, spices, anything you might need. Then underneath the countertop here, we have really big drawers, all soft close. As you can see, they're extremely large and very well built. And then this one is even bigger. This is perfect for your pots and pans. Under the sink, we have great space for extra storage and access to all your water pipes and whatnot. And then you even have an included space for your trash bin. Right next to the galley here, we have a nice sized first pantry. And underneath that, we have yet another one. Up above, we do have a nice big cabinet here to store anything that you might want. Across that, we do have the convection microwave, a refrigerator, which is chest height size, with a freezer, separate freezer container, and then a refrigerator, very nice size, and followed with two drawers underneath. And not to mention, there's another closet here. This one is a hanging closet. Look at the size and the length of it. It's beautiful. Great design. And right above the microwave, there's even more space for further storage. They use every crack and cranny to make it into a storage space. Above the cab, we even have a bigger size storage. And it goes all the way through for both sides. And it takes so much stuff. Of course, we do have our MaxxAir fan, and right here we have our electrical and heating and lighting and the awning control center. Everything is controlled right through here. Both of the front seats obviously swivel to be added into the cabin, but what's beautiful about this, you do have an extra space here to be considered as an office space. When you sit here on this driver's side, you would have this drop-down table to serve you as an office space, workspace, even dinner, breakfast, whatever you might need. And this comes with electrical outlets and directly lights, those really signature, beautiful lights of Noovo. This container here, the storage compartment here, is actually a step stool that comes out, and that way when you're sitting here on this chair and working, that's extra space for your legs, for your feet. This is extra legroom space. And this one is a step stool that you can utilize to climb to get to your bed, or maybe some high and difficult to reach spots for shorter individuals. So that is super, super cool, and I just figured out. And it's an easy sliding stool that hides away and also is a container box. And we're talking about space, headroom, right? So I'd like to show you the bathroom. This bathroom is super large, super comfortable. It's a cassette toilet, and I am more actually willing to talk about the headroom. And in order to give you a reference, I'm 5'9", and I'm gonna step inside and show you what exactly I'm talking about. So here I am inside the bathroom. As I said, I'm 5'9", and look at that. That's like probably 7'3", 7'4". That's amazing. Like, so much space to shower or to take care of business. Like, there's ample space here. You're in a Class B, guys. Like, this is super important to mention. It's not claustrophobic, it's spacious, and it's got this like sliding door for privacy. I mean, that's perfect. As we get out of the bathroom, we actually coming back to the signature part of this van, and that is the lounge area. Look at this U-shaped dinette area. I call it the lounge. Beautifully designed. It's just like a yacht, and I cannot say enough about this. I am in the U-shaped dinette here at the Noovo Plus, and I cannot emphasize about the space that I have here. I can have at least 8 people here to sit comfortably and have dinner, play games, lounge, have a glass of wine, whatever it may be. Like, this is super comfortable, super spacious, and I have ample space for my headroom, very well designed. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of around. Right here, we do have a large TV that swivels out, and you can actually scoot over towards the back and have like an amazing, comfortable movie night if you want to. Here, all these are beautifully made, ample space providing storage cabinets. There's 4 of them here on both sides. And this table is capable to fold and make it into narrow table in a sense. It creates the space to move around the table comfortably. And the table is also sitting on a telescopic leg. Therefore, when this table is lowered and these cushions come together, you have here a huge king-size bed. But this is not the only or the main bed in this van. I'm going to show you what's hiding above, which is the loft bed. And to lower it, I do have here the Euroloft control panel, a simple press of a button, and this beautiful bed just comes down. I'm not gonna go all the way down, but you have the idea. This can go all the way down, and you have a beautiful queen size bed here with the doors open and the mosquito net coming down, your reading lights. You can enjoy the breeze, you can enjoy the views. This is amazing. And as I said, it can go all the way down, or you can keep it at any height you want. And let me lift it up just a little bit and consider the fact that maybe you wanted to have a bunk beds arrangement, so you can have 2 adults up here, 2 adults below, and comfortably accommodate 4 adults in this B van without compromising on any space. This is fantastic. Obviously, it has also the Truma Aventa air conditioning. It does have the the heating elements. It doesn't have propane, it doesn't have black tank, just a gray tank. And it is actually the first super high roof van with an elevator bed in the US. The MSRP right now is starting at $186,700. The power system, it comes with from 660 amp hours to 1320 amp hours of reliable lithium battery and 400 watts of solar. That will be perfect for you, but you can also expand that if you want to. The efficient air conditioning that I just mentioned can run approximately 12 hours, obviously depending on the heat and location where you're in, but roughly it can run for 12 hours using only 19 amps of power in eco mode. It is prepped for Starlink connection for providing you internet on the road. And what's nice about Noovo that you can also configure your own van to your own needs and likings. All you have to do is just basically contact Noovo, go to their website, and just make it yours. And look who I have here.
Hi,
it's
everyone.
Maggie. She's back.
Good to see you again. Or I guess you see me.
True. Maggie's gonna tell us the details about probably that I've missed about the Noovo Plus, and they're super cool. So let's start.
Something that I always love to point out to people who are unfamiliar with our brand is we're actually the only company right now that is building on the Ram ProMaster super high roof chassis. That's what allows us to have that 7-foot interior clearance, do the incredible elevator lift bed, and now we actually have a rear lounge layout model that doesn't have the lift bed. It's got an incredible open layout. It doesn't have the partition that you saw with the pantry drawers, so it's a much more open feeling. And I think that the Van Caskis, which you might be familiar with, will be launching a video on that soon. So after you're done watching Isaac's, you can go watch the new rear lounge one. We're super excited to continue to build on the super high roof chassis, and we continue to focus on the Ram ProMaster. We see your comments about four-wheel drive, and it's definitely something that we're interested in the future, but we love bringing the European interior and French style to the ProMaster whenever we can. It's amazing to be here at peaceloveandvans.
And you just heard from Maggie. She's my star. She's amazing. Thank you, Maggie, once again. So on the driver's side, we have the gray water connection port with the valve here. And then here is your cassette toilet access port. I don't know if it's open right now. Nope, it's locked, but this is where you access your cassette for your toilet. And then you have your 30 amp smart plug right here. And this is your water connection. And when it opens up, it is just beautiful. And not to mention, you have some space here for storing so much stuff. You have your exterior shower right here. I'm not gonna turn the faucet on because probably the water pump might be on. I don't wanna have any problems here. And this little nook is where the door's handle goes into. And on the exterior side of the ceiling of the lounge, when this comes down or not, you have access to further cabinetry right here in the back, 2 of those. So that's a cool, unique feature. And obviously you do have the mosquito net right here in the back, just like you have one on the main door on the side. And it has these beautiful windows that are acrylic, insulated, dual paned with the privacy shade or mosquito nets that can open awning style, and therefore you can keep your windows open on both sides, and even if it's raining outside, you'll have great airflow in the interior. So yeah, Noovo is quality, Noovo is community.
I'm French, so don't.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, ça va?
Ça va?
We speak English, but not a perfect English.
Well, you know that Noovo is actually owned by French designers and French people, so it's almost French.
Okay.
The name hints it. Nouveau.
Yeah.
Oui.
Okay.
You probably are familiar with Neil and Brittany, and they're also another proud Nouvo owners.
We are.
How do you like it?
I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy we finally have the right van for us.
That is so cool to hear. You see, like, none of these people here are getting paid to say these words. Nouvo stands for
Quality and just amazingness.
community,
Yeah.
family,
Yep.
fun.
We just like to show people how amazing that the van community is and that we are friendly. And we just want to show you that there is real, good, amazing vans out there.
And I have the other half of Brittany. Neil is here.
Hello. Hello, sir. How are you?
How do you love your Nouvo?
Absolutely love it. Hands down. I can't say enough good.
How do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
It's awesome. The build quality is amazing. Of course, the floor plan is awesome. I love having that front dinette. And I had a Transit previously, and everybody told me I wouldn't like the ProMaster, but I actually really like the ProMaster. It handles great, easy to park. But the Nouvo, yeah, it's great. I love it.
She's not getting paid to say these
No, I'm
words.
not.
You're not.
No.
So I'm signing off this video from Peace, Love, and Vans 2025 in Dade City, Florida. If you have any questions about the Noovo Plus, please leave them in the comment. Me and Maggie will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, see you on the road.